Hey guys, so today a special guest is coming to my home, and this special guest is none other than our maid Sachin Bhaiya. So Sachin Bhaiya is coming after 6 to 7 months, I guess, and I thought I'll give him a warm welcome by preparing something nice. I still haven't decided what to prepare. Let me quickly run to the kitchen and see what I can prepare, and I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go and prepare, and also let's see what is the reaction when Sachin Bhaiya eat it. So I decided to prepare Sooji ka halwa, as this doesn't really take much of your time, yet it comes out very yummy. As a first step, we need to fry the rava. So I have put about 2 tablespoons of ghee in the kadai, and then I'm adding 1 cup full of rava. You need to fry this for minimum 7 minutes. Fry this in the medium flame. Once it's kinda dark yellowish in color, transfer it to a plate or something. We'll let this cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare the garnishing. I have taken a handful of cashew and raisins and frying them in the ghee. You can even add almonds, that's optional. Oops, looks like Bhaiya has come. Okay, I'm coming. हाय बोल दे भैया. कितना दिन के बाद आ रहा है? 6 महीने? Okay, now I have really less time to prepare. So since we have taken 1 cup full of rava, I'm adding the 2 cups of water here. You should be very careful about the quantity that you're putting in. And let the water boil in high flame. Now let's go ahead and put our fried rava. You need to be very quick in stirring this. Keep stirring. It gives the blisters, so be careful about that as well. Make sure that there are no lumps, so keep working on it. Then I'm putting some kesari in this. I still haven't added one of the main ingredient. Any guess? Well, it's sugar. So about the quantity, I would say take 1 cup full of sugar, since I've taken 1 cup full of rava here. And I'm pretty sure Bhaiya would like it to be, more sweety. More sweety? I mean more sweetish. Well, so this is when you get that moisture in the Sooji. You can see that it has now softened up. Keep stirring, and I went ahead and added the rest of the sugar. You see, it has now become so soft. I'm adding some more ghee to make it still more soft. And finally, I'm garnishing it with the already fried items. Give it a good stir. And that's pretty much it. See, it was this quick and this easy to make this delicious Sooji ka halwa. Finally, ready to serve. Okay, there you go. भैया आपका ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया था?
हाँ ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया है।
ठीक है, थोड़ा खा लीजिए, बैठ के खा लीजिए, पहले आपको बताना है। बैठ लो। बहुत गर्म होगा।
घर में
अच्छा है।
सारी
मैं बॉक्स भी दे दूंगी
हलवा है।
घर के लिए। क्या?
हलवा
सूजी है।
अच्छा
I'm packing this for his wife Shanti. Even she used to come before, but now she's blessed with two cute babies. They're twins and they're like so cute. हाँ, next Saturday दे सकते हो बॉक्स।
अभी घर पे बाद में दे देता हूँ।
अच्छा ठीक है। हाँ
बाद में
हाँ। So that was it.